How to build wealth from nothing. Who doesn't want to be rich? He who has some wealth or is relatively rich wants to become more prosperous. But getting rich is a big dream for someone who has nothing. But do you know how you can be wealthy from nothing? If you don't know, let's learn some secret tricks to get rich. The first thing to earning more money or becoming wealthier is that you need to know more about money. That is, you need to increase your knowledge of financial education. You become familiar with vital terms like income, net worth, return on investment, expenses, passive income, and financial independence. If you don't currently have a fixed income, I suggest setting up your fixed income first. Regular income that may be monthly or yearly is relatively low, although indeed you will never become wealthy with regular income. But your steady income will cover your basic needs, which will help you find other sources of income. Make a list of your monthly income and potential expenses. Create a budget based on your regular income. This budget is your financial plan. Try to keep your monthly expenses on budget or less. Keep a savings option in this budget and save a fixed amount from regular income. Insure yourself or your car or any other valuable property. Insurance will protect you from sudden significant losses. For example, your health insurance may not allow you to deduct money from your account in case of a health problem, or if your car is insured, you won't suffer financially if your car is damaged in an accident. Remember that losing what you have is a significant loss to you when you are not very rich. You need to focus on your skills. When you don't have much money, you may not earn more money quickly but can increase your skills. And your well-honed skills will help you earn more money through hard work. Depending on how much money you have in your budget, you will need to find ways to earn passive income. Because in addition to regular income, additional income is impossible if you do not find an excellent passive income. Invest money in any sector of passive income by understanding the global economy.